Dear people, watching and listening, Assalamu alaikum. Kindly like and share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please support my channel by contributing to my Patreon account so that I can continue making the audiobook series. Tipu Sultan, who was the ruler of the kingdom of Mysore in South India, during his reign used to write down his dreams. They were penned down by Tipu himself in Persian language, dating from 1785 to 1798. The penned down dreams are 37 in total. After the fall of Seringapatam in 1799, the manuscript was discovered by Lieutenant Colonel William Kirkpatrick after a thorough search of his bedchamber during the ransack of Tipu's palace. The manuscript was so well hidden that even Tipu Sultan's confidant Munshihabibullah had never seen it before. The letters have been translated into English by Dr. Mahmood Hussain, former Minister of Education and Professor of History in the University of Karachi, Pakistan. Dream 32. The Bridge of Elephants. On the 12th of the month Ahmadi of the year Shadab 1226, from the birth of Muhammad on the night of Thursday, I had a dream. The troops seemed to be stationed by the side of the river. The servant of the High was on horseback. He saw that the river was in spate, and he issued instructions that all the elephants should be brought and made to stand in the river, one adjacent to the other, thus forming a bridge. He then asked the troops to cross the river by passing over the backs of the elephants and under their protection. The whole army actually crossed the river in this manner. In the meanwhile, I woke up. End of Dream 32.